Alright, so it's about January 19th at like 9:30 p.m. And as you can see, we're getting lots of snow here. So we're supposed to be getting about 2 feet total. So we're trying to come out here and clean off our car so it doesn't accumulate too much. Now my mom's parked up here, but my car on the other hand is all the way down that parking lot. So sometimes you gotta get creative with your methods of going down. So I guess we'll see how this works, huh? It's been a while since I've done this, so. See you guys on the flip side. That didn't work. Sorry, I'll try it again. Alright, well, guess I'll just have to run down. Take a look around. You see that we didn't quite get 2 feet of snow, but we did get snow with like ice on top of it. Weird, not like normal snow. As you can see, some of these cars are having a tough time getting up the hill. So, with that, I will need to clean off my car again. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Let's do this. I gotta go wash my car.